Oh, you don't want to do that.
Caught my face then.
Did you hit your face?
No, he caught me with his nail.
Oh. What the hell is he doing? What are you doing, Ross?
He's doing it like when you put the lead on, halty lead on him, isn't it?
Oh!
On his face.
I reckon bits went up his nose then.
Still